So here you want to remove these 6 screws. Now flip the console back upright and you'll gently lift the top off the bottom. So now I'm going to remove the ribbon cable from the hard drive and also the power cord. Using a screwdriver, we'll just remove the hard drive. Just lift the hard drive right out of the body of the Xbox. Now we're going to repeat that process for the DVD drive. There's a small cable here that you need to disconnect when you lift it up, or pay attention to where it goes as you pull it out. Now we need to disconnect the power supply from the motherboard. Now we'll remove the screws holding down the power supply. Now would be a good time to hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. Once you have those removed, slide the power supply back a little bit and lift it straight up.
1 week later.
My order arrived. It's a replacement power supply for this one. Should be the exact same one. I'll open it up, take a look at it, and then compare and make sure everything's the same. I'll blow this all out and clean it all out, and then we'll put this one back in here and we'll get everything reassembled. So it's the exact same model number and everything, and you can see in here that capacitor and stuff isn't popped, blown, or anything. So I think we're good to go ahead and put this back in. It looks like it does show a little heat around that area, so possibly it's a bad design. Caps aren't swollen or anything, so we're good there. I'm happy with it. Let's blow this out and get this cleaned out and get it all back together.
Now we're just going to reverse the process that we did before and put the power supply back in, screw it down, and put all the peripherals, the hard drive, the DVD drive back in. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it very much. Now that we have everything back in and connected back up, we'll go ahead and put that top back on, flip it over, and put those 6 screws back in it. And there you have it. That's how you replace the power supply on an original Xbox. If you found value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. It really helps me out. And if you like seeing me fix and repair things as well as do woodworking project, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out. Thank you very much for watching.